Hello, today is day 3. We will continue the To-Do app. I know, it's a long time I didn't do the videos, but right now we are back because we have some issue and problems. So today we will try to do this page, and I think it's not too hard to do this page, but first I need to do this inside, especially the up bar and the leading and the action. We will add these three things, and we will add this one and these two things. I think I will do this for the another video, but today I will do these things first. So let me start to do these things. So first of all, everyone to solve, we did these pages. So if I need to click the register page, I will go to the register page to write username and this password, as this confirm password, this email, username, password, and this register, or we can do it for Apple or Google. We will change it later for these things. It's too easy to change it. So first of all, I need to back this one. So when I need to press, I need to go to the home page, and I will first create inside this one is home, and inside this home, first I will create home.dart, and inside this .dart I will go to the login, for example, because I need to I need to use a stateful widget because it's very important stateful widget. I will take this one. Let me show you what I need to do, and I will remove everything from here. From here inside the list view building, list view building, and I will do something like this, and I will remove this one. I think I need to remove this leading. I don't want anymore right now, and I will change it for this one home, and this one home, and this one also, and this one also. Because we changed it a lot, because we are working with a stateful widget, not stateless widget. If we need to work with a stateless widget, it's only we will change the stateless widget. But for example, if we need to use a set states, or we need to doing more functionality, something like that, we must use a stateful widget because it will give us more functionality for that. So right now I will do this, and I will take this home. I will go, for example, this login. When I press this login, it will take to a new page to start to build a home page. So to do that, I will go to the login, and I am looking for this button. This is a button. I will go to this button, navigator dot push, navigator dot push. Oh, sorry for that. Navigator dot push. It will show the context. This context is very important. This context is work from this context. It's if, for example, if I need to remove this context, it will show this error. It will show this error because the build need a context to context for any widgets that we will work inside these Flutter, inside these widgets. For example, context. After that, I will add material page root, and inside the material page root, inside this builder, and we will add the context, and I will give it something this and home, and I will give it a semicolon because it will go the error. Right now it shows this home, it doesn't define inside this page. So if you saw this message, the method home isn't defined for the type login status. Try connect the name to the name of the existing method. So to fix that, only we need to import this home page inside this login page to call it. So only we need to quick fix, and it will show the two types for, and I will use the short one because some people do something like this, some people do that. It's not a lot is different, it's the same. But it will show, if you do this, it will you show the steps where is the coming from. So I will do this. Right, the error is gone, and right now when I go the refresh, it's a fixed issue for something like that. I will go home first, and when I press login, it will go to the home page. Let's go to home page. Right now, if you saw, we have here a small thing, a row background, for example, to back to another page. If you press it, it will back the page, but I don't want that. If you saw the design, we have something like this. So we need to do something like this. We need to change the leading. So to do that and do the same, I will take the same design for that. Let me first take the effect, export. Let me export this, and I will do something like this, right? But yeah, export sort. Right now it take to me this one. Yeah, it takes this one. I will unboxing. And if you saw, we need to try it now to add an image, because we need to use the same image inside in our app. So to add this image inside our app, we need to doing something inside to add images. First of all, we need to add images inside here. So to add images, only we need to create a folder, not a file. It's a folder, and inside folder we can add it assets, and give it the something. We go this so, and I will go to the best YAML, because if you need to add images directly inside assets, but first of all I need to do this. I will go to the we add it here, but if you need to add it directly, it will show an error. So to fix this issue, we need to go to best.yaml, and we have something specific, something in best.yaml, this asset image to call all the time these images. So I will remove this really. Right now I will explain why I did this. I will add assets, and I will give it a refresh. It's fixed right now. Now we can use this image. For example, to do this image, we add a leading. As you saw, we still have leading this. So I will add leading images.assets and assets.sort.png. Right now it shows the image, the same image. Right now it has the same images here. So right now we have a title, a text title inside. So only in up bar we have something title. We can add a text, yeah, and we add a index. If we add index, we have it show, but we need to change the color. We need to give it a style, text style, color dot white. Now it is. So we still have something here. Is the action? It's a called action to add. Inside this action, we need to add a circle averter image. So first of all, let me take this image out. So how can I take it? I will give it export. I will take this here, and I will go to the file. This file. Yeah, home screen. Let me remove it. Right, it will show. Yeah. Yeah, it's a circle image right now. But I will fix this one to add, for example, face. For example. Or profile, face, as you want. You can change the name. So to do that, in up bar I will add action. I will add circle averter. I will add background image, asset image. I will add assets and face.png, and we give it a radius, for example. Let me give it 30. Well, 30. Let me give it 25. Is that okay? Yeah, a little better. But right now we need to, for example, if you look for the design, let me show you the design again. If you show the design here, we have a space between this one and this one, because we did something like this. We have a space, but only this one it doesn't have a space. So if we have two ways to do this space, I think. Yeah, the first way, I think, if we give it a size box, right, and give it 20. Let me. Oh, but we'll show the error here. No, it will not fix this issue. Let me, for example, if I give it a padding. What we will do if we get a padding? Oh, it will fix the error, the padding, but there are something wrong, right? Yeah. But yeah, the padding, just if I give it, I need to make it bigger, the expanded. No, it will show the error expanded. It doesn't work here, expanded. I think let me remove this one first, and let me, for example, could we add the padding from this one for the part? No, we didn't. We couldn't add the padding. So yeah, let me add, for example, if I give it 30 right now, and give it right now for this one padding. Sorry. And it will change the image. No, it will not fix this image, the problem. So let me think, how can I do it? This padding between, I need to make a space a little bit between this one. Actually, we have another way we can do it, but I think this is a better way to do it for this one. So is that if I did this? No, we don't want that. So let me try something really I need to ask. Let me ask ChatGPT something. Sometimes I need to ask ChatGPT. Really, I love that. Let me try. Show if that will fix the problem or not. But I think station. We did the padding, but it doesn't work for us. Really is that it doesn't work. Let me try this. For example, I copy it from ChatGPT and now let me write. And alright, now I understand it. Maybe this will fix the error, right? Let me try. This one. No, but still the padding is showing error. So let me try this. Really, I will use container. I will decoration box decoration circle. No, I will use image decoration image. Is it image dot? Yeah, it's the same, but we will right now. I will use something like this. I will add assets. Face.png, and I will give it border radius dot circle 100. I think I will it will fix the error, but we have, for example, we'll give it 50 and height. Yeah, and I think if we add margin dot all 8, but let me give it, for example, 60. It will not give it, it's not margin. 60, 70, for example. I need to make it a little bit bigger. How come I make it bigger? If we look at the design, there are something is bigger, something like this. But I think it's a perfect one. Really, is a fixed issue, because we have right now is a space between this one, and we have no problem for that. I think there is a missing for this an image. So in image asset, so we should use an icon button, I think, because, or if we don't want to use, if I inquire, we can use this one to make it visible to import to button, to use import button. Yeah. So right now I will do another things, and these things I will do it. I will take this image, I will put this image, and where is this image? So yeah, I will take this image. This is a full image. Yeah. I will take this image, this profile. Let me show you this profile. I will take it here, and I will go to the this is a normal image, and assets dot profile dot png, and wow, as a center history view. because why did it for example here list view. For example, if I need, I can do it. There is another way. I can add a column, and inside this column I will add a circle, a stretch, and I can add, for example, I will not add a list view again. I will can add this. It will work the same. It's not different, but I prefer to do it the list view. Is a little bit. It's much better because we can after that we can make it a scrollable, and the column we can make it a scrollable. It doesn't do any problem. But for example, if I need to change the size a little bit, let me change the size for this image. The size for the height and width, for example, width 227 and height 227. But I think I will not change the size and width because I will left it something like the same. So right now we have two text inside, two line text inside under this image. So the first text is this one. This one I will copy it. I will write a text. And if you saw this text, it's we need to make it a white style, text style, color dot white, and I will make it font size. The font size for this text, what is the font size for this text? I think the font size, let me show, I will show something here. The style is the style. Yeah, I found it. Style 20. Now it's a 24, yeah. So, but there is a problem here. Is the text is very space between these. Yes. If I need to add. No. If we add an expanded inside, it will show an error. Really. Right now, I will try something really is better. Something. I think if we do it a single child view and column, it's much better. I think. Let me do something like this. Let me add a column. And a column inside this column, stretch, and I will add single. Make it as to make it a scroll, and I will add these things. Why is the print the same things? Why is it doesn't different things? I will do it the center. Don't worry for that. I think this is a problem for. It's a take a long space, a huge space between these. So if I need to remove this thing, let me try to do this one. If I do this center things, it will fix this. Oh, yeah. I will. Right now, it fixes a huge problem. Really, I have another text. I have another text. I will add it. Let me show you how can we make a space between these two things. For example. Also, we need to just give it a font size. I think it's a 16, and color is white. Yeah, but we need to make a little spacer between these two lines of text. So to make these two lines, I will height 10. I think I will give it 16. Yeah, and I will make a space between these images and text. I'll give it height 20. Right, is a 20 also? Yeah, and let me give it a 25. Yeah. For example, if you look at the design, I will show the design again. If you look at the design, these things is not in the first page, in the center page. All these things is a center page. So how can I move these things in the center page? I will move these things in the center page. If I need to use main axis alignment, main axis center. Oh, sorry. Well, cross axis dot center. Well, it doesn't center. It will should center. Why it doesn't center it? I think if we need to remove this one and give it center, let me really some error. Sometimes it will not understand what's happening here, but these issues is very important to fix it. If I give it, oh, right now it fixes a huge problem here. We shouldn't use the center between a single child scroll view and column. We should use the up is the body, the first things we should use. After that, right now is the center screen. After we do it a bottom navigation bar here, it will move a little bit its upper because we need to make it a more spacer. So I think for today I will do that, only for do that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.